We all know AI powers things like virtual assistants and self-driving cars, but what if I told you it's also doing things way weirder?
From talking fridges to AI-powered dating beyond swipes, technology's getting creative. So let's dive into 5 bizarre ways AI sneaks into your daily life.
Let's start with something every pet owner has dreamed of: actually understanding what your dog or cat is trying to say. Brian, tell me you've wished this at least once.
Every single day when my cat yells at 3 a.m. But companies like Pet Pulse and Meow Talk are using AI to make it happen. They analyze thousands of barks, meows, even tail wags to decode pet language.
How does it work? Is it just guessing?
Not quite. Machine learning studies patterns, like how a certain whimper might mean scared or a specific purr equals happy. There's even a collar that translates barks in real time. Of course, it's not perfect, but imagine your dog saying, "Not the vet again," instead of just growling.
I'd pay to see that. But you know what's even crazier? AI isn't just interpreting animals, it's inventing recipes now. And not just normal ones, we're talking weird combos.
Picture this. It's midnight. You're starving. Your fridge has half a lemon, stale bread, and leftover tofu. Enter AI chefs like Chef GPT or Plant Jammer.
And it actually makes edible food from that?
Define edible. These apps use databases of millions of recipes to suggest Franken meals. Think pickle peanut butter sandwiches or ketchup stir-fry. Some are genius, like a chef invented them. Others, well, let's just say AI hasn't mastered taste yet.
So it's like a cooking roulette. But Brian, if AI can resurrect weird food combos, could it resurrect people? Or at least their personalities?
That took a dark turn. But yes, apps like Project December or Hereafter AI let you chat with AI versions of deceased loved ones. It's powered by their old texts, emails, even voice recordings.
That's haunting. Is this healthy, or are we playing with fire?
Psychologists are split. Some say it helps grief, like a digital memorial. Others warn it could trap people in the past. And get this, historians are using similar tech to interview AI versions of Einstein or Cleopatra.
Okay, that's fascinating, but also heavy. Let's switch gears to something lavish. What if I told you AI is now designing custom jewelry for celebrities?
Wait, like AI is out here sketching diamond necklaces?
Better. Companies like Gem Geneve use AI to create one-of-a-kind pieces. You feed it trends, gemstone databases, and client preferences. Boom, a couture design in seconds.
So no more waiting months for a jeweler's draft?
Nope. AI even predicts future trends like vintage meets cyberpunk, or which rare stones will spike in value. Some pieces sell for millions.
Guess my budget stuck at AI-generated paper jewelry. But speaking of predictions, AI is also forecasting something darker: crime.
Cities like LA and London use AI to map likely crime hotspots. Cameras track suspicious behavior, like loitering or unusual movements, and alert police before anything happens.
That sounds like Minority Report. What counts as suspicious? Could it target innocent people?
That's the big debate. Studies show these systems often bias low-income areas. On the flip side, some cities report lower crime rates. But at what cost? Privacy? Freedom?
So AI can translate pets, invent recipes, mimic the dead, design luxury jewels, and maybe prevent crimes? That's a lot for one technology.
It is. And this is just the start. AI is evolving faster than we can process, sometimes helpful, sometimes unsettling, always changing the game.
The big question isn't just what can AI do? It's what should it do? Where's the line between cool and creepy, between safety and surveillance?
We'd love to hear your take. Drop a comment: would you wear AI-designed jewelry? Trust a robot crime predictor? And hey, stay curious. The future's gonna be weird.
And who knows? Maybe next week we'll be discussing AI that predicts lottery numbers. Or tells you exactly when your cat plans to knock over your coffee. 3:17 a.m., by the way.
Seriously though? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our deep dives into tomorrow's weirdest tech. And tell us in the comments,
which of today's AI uses shocked you most? The pet translators, the digital afterlife, Or should we all be worried about those crime-predicting algorithms?
Remember, the future doesn't just happen to us. We get to shape it. So stay curious, stay skeptical.
And stay tuned for whatever comes next.